In today's video, I will walk you through how to stop ads in Yahoo Mail inbox. Want to get most out of this tutorial? Sign up using the link in the description below, and let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and search for Yahoo Mail. Select the official Yahoo Mail website and sign into your account. Once you're signed in, look at the top right corner of the screen for your profile picture or initial. Click it and select Manage Your Account. Inside, look for Subscription, and then select Explore Subscription. This will take you to Yahoo's available subscription options. Look for Yahoo Mail Plus. This subscription includes an ad-free inbox, along with other features that may vary depending on your region. If you're interested in removing ads completely, select Try It Free if the offer is available on your account. Review the current price, trial period, renewal terms, and payment information shown on your screen before confirming. Keep in mind that subscription prices and promotions can change. If you don't want to continue after the trial, remember to cancel before it ends to avoid being charged. Once Yahoo Mail Plus is active, the ad-free experience applies while you're signed in to the same Yahoo account. If you don't want to subscribe, you can still reduce some ad clutter. Go to your inbox and hover over an ad. Look for the X or the three-dot menu associated with the advertisement. Depending on the options available, you may be able to select choices such as dislike this ad or stop seeing this ad. This can help reduce or hide certain ads, but it does not remove all advertisements permanently. You may need to repeat these actions when new ads appear. For a completely ad-free inbox, Yahoo's supported subscription option is the more reliable choice. That's it. Open Yahoo Mail. Go to Account Info, select Subscription, explore Yahoo Mail Plus, and choose the available ad-free option. Alternatively, use the controls on individual ads to reduce the clutter in your inbox. And that's how to stop ads in Yahoo Mail inbox. Click the link on the description below. Thank you for watching the video.